Welcome on board, Ahmed Ali again. Here in this video, I will take you through how to get the contact information of every and anybody within the tourism industry through LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And also I will give you access to my supplier that will scrape that for you, and every 10,000 contact information will cost you a fraction, around $10 or something. So we are operating in this industry for a long time. We are a tourism representation company. We help DMCs and hotels connect with tour operators or any travel partner they want to connect with. So some proof here, we helped Andrea, the Colombia trip, connect with more than 80 interested tour operators that would like to work with her. And also Alive Panama, we did the same. It's a hotel in Panama, connected him with more than 50 and 60 interested tour operators, and there's video interview. Another DMC closed $120,000 as well, another interview on the website. Sample of the responses available on the website. I'm not gonna waste time, just go through it, and if you need any help with that, feel free to reach out to us. And without further ado, let's focus on the leads. So first of all, you need to have a LinkedIn account and a Sales Navigator. So the first thing you can do once you go to the Sales Navigator, you will go to the account section. And once you go to the account sections, you go to account filters in here. Once you go to the account filters, you go to the industry. The first big layer, you start on a company level. As I mentioned in the other databases videos, you always start from the company. You qualify the company and then get the contact information of the persons actually working in this company. So here you always in every database there is different naming. So in Apollo it was leisure, here leisure, but also there's travel arrangements. So in the industry, when people create their pages, everybody chooses different industry. So you always need to start broad and then narrow down from there. So here we started, let's say we add the United States as a location for the simplicity's sake. There is also a head count gross. So if a company is growing, you can also add the percentage of how they're growing. To build a list of that. If you need the head count or annual revenue, you can also filter with that. But let's go here for, let's say 11 to 50, and we go 200 to 500. So now what we have done is the company level. Companies within the tourism industry in the United States. You can filter by followers and other things, but I always do this in a different way to keep the list big enough. And also in here, you can have a look at the companies, open the company itself. And once you open the company itself, you can go inside, open their website, look at actually where they operate here, travel arrangement, 300 employees, look at the description and refine your list till you're happy with how it's built. This is the first step that you do, right? And then you make sure you also check the other filters if you want to filter anymore. And there's a hack in here. You can also add keywords on the top here. So let's say I need DMCs only. If you filter DMC, it'll start to show you within this criteria how many have a DMC name in his name. And you can filter by keywords and play around till you have the biggest list possible. This is layer number one. It's building the company that you want to target. The second step, similar to the other databases, you go to the leads contact. It will carry automatically the industries we already filtered and the size and the location. And then it will start to show you how many contacts are available into these companies. And here you do other type of filtering, like we mentioned. First of all, you start on the titles. The titles, I need the CEO, I need whatever titles you would like to target. So you need to understand who exactly you want to reach out to and add their titles in here and make that as broad as possible. Because when you get these people contact information, not all of them going to have their email address. Some gonna have LinkedIn only, some gonna have email. Then you split them into two campaigns. Some campaigns that do reach out on LinkedIn and some other campaigns that do reach out via email. And also you can do multi-channel for these leads and reach out on LinkedIn as well. And then you can go through the other filters, past job titles, years in this company, geographical location for the person, not the company. So here we put the company location, but here we can put the person location as well. Past job title, first name, last name. If you're searching for specific people, you can search with a lot of intent-based people. And also you can just make sure you're happy with your list. Once you're happy with your list, there's always a unique URL going to be here. If you look in here, this is recent filter, and this URL is actually equal this filter. So if you send me this URL and I open it on my sales navigator, I will see exactly these leads that you actually want to target. A quick hack in here, also the recent update, you can see people who changed jobs recently posted on LinkedIn. Posted on LinkedIn is a very good signal to see who's actually active. So you know that these people, if you reach out to LinkedIn, they're actually active. There's a lot of people as well that use LinkedIn, but they doesn't post. So you don't always need to like just focus on that segment, but these are high intent people to reach out to through LinkedIn. Once you do that and you're happy with the list from a company standpoint and from a leads standpoint, you go to the link in my description and contact my supplier and give him that URL. He will scrape all the leads you want, and every like 10-15,000 gonna cost you a fraction, around $15. But before you do the reach out, watch my other videos and subscribe, because I show you how to validate these emails to make sure they are active. These people are working at these companies actually before you do the reach out. And if you don't want to get into the nitty gritty and all of these technical stuff, feel free to reach out to us. We give you a trial campaign and get you great results. A little background about me. I'm ex-Marriott, ex-Ritz-Carlton. I have family-based travel agency. I work at tour operators, and my cousin as well have tons of experience, and we know the industry and we can speak the lingo, and our clients are getting phenomenal results. Feel free to go to the website and check all the results live, and I will happy to give you a trial campaign to experience it. But if you want to do it in-house and teach your team, also we can teach your team, or you can go through the videos. I explain everything, and go, if you have any questions, post your comments and I will answer your question. And happy prospecting.